There's a new kind of energy in this moment. Not a farewell, but a launch. In this latest reveal, Boston Dynamics introduces the all-electric Atlas, a humanoid built not just to impress, but to work. This version leaves hydraulics behind and goes fully electric, making it cleaner, quieter, and far more efficient. But the real shift isn't just in hardware, it's in purpose. Atlas is no longer performing for the lab. It's preparing for factory floors, warehouses, and real industrial environments where reliability matters more than spectacle. And it shows. The movement is faster, sharper, more intentional. Atlas twists, pivots, and repositions with a range of motion that feels engineered for efficiency, not imitation. It doesn't move like a human trying to be a robot. It moves like a robot optimized for the job. Behind that capability is advanced AI development in collaboration with the RAI Institute. Using reinforcement learning and full-body control systems, Atlas coordinates balance, force, and motion as one unified system. Every lift, every step, every adjustment happens in real time. What once powered backflips now powers productivity. This isn't just another demo, it's a transition point, where years of research transform into real-world deployment. The era of humanoid robots isn't coming. It's stepping onto the factory floor.